Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Waze is famous for its traffic rerouting, but sometimes it just doesn't offer alternative. You see traffic ahead, but the app sticks with the same route or only shows one option. This usually means your filters are too restrictive or the app is having a connection hiccup. So, in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to fix Waze not rerouting around traffic. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, check your route filters. If you have avoid highways or avoid tolls turned on, you are limiting the available routes. So go through settings, navigation, and make sure these options are set correctly. If there is only one reroute or one route that fits your filters, Waze won't offer alternatives. So you can also try to check for alternative routes. After entering a destination, you can tap the three dots next to the basically suggested route. This will show you if there is any alternative routes available, even if Waze didn't show them on the main screen. And also make sure to check your internet and GPS. Waze needs a solid internet and GPS connection to calculate alternatives. If your signal is weak, the app may only calculate the fastest route. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or even try switching networks. For the clear-key destinations, if Waze keeps sending you the wrong entrance of a destination, like the back of a building instead of the front, the app may have cached an old route. Search for the address, long press it, and remove drive to clear the cache. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.